release, you have to look for something here on the values. If there is something in debug mode, like this map using some keys, so make sure copy this key and then change your mode to release. So because in the release mode, the operation is different, you will not see the same. You will have to do something in your, yes, this is the release mode, does it have key, you have to add it. This is the basic example. Need to change if you have a map. So yes, everything now is good. I need to upload the application to Google Store. So first of all, I have to go to pull here this file and see. Here you see I have to define the version that I need to upload it to the store and the app name. Application name means the application ID means the application ID will be in the store. Then you go to generate signed APK. You will see the screen. You go next. Then you see the screen. Click create. This key you have to create it and you have to save it to secure place. I click here the place I want to save it. I want to save it here. I will name it my test. Okay, make sure to save this key in secure place, because next time when you need to do update on this application, you have to use same key, so you cannot use other key. Then give it a password. For example, make sure it's long password and have different character, because it will not take it with Google. Give it any name. Here I name it tester here. Then give it another password again. Then again here also I will do same thing. Okay, for the password. Here, how much here I want to keep this application valid? 25 here. You could decrease it, you could decrease it, whatever you want to do. Enter your first name, and you could enter other information as you like, but I will enter only my first name. I click OK. He will accept it. Now, if I click remember, so when next time I do release, I could see it. He say ask me to enter the password. I will enter same password that I entered before for my application. If you see, sorry, here he need to master password. This is for my Mac. So I have to enter my Mac password, not my application password. Okay, this is for Mac. For Windows also, maybe if you ask you on Windows, give it the key that you added here on the application. It will work. Then click OK. It will take some time until he will create APK for you. Maybe you will see this problem when you upload application. This because I'm using Google services, and this I need a lot of code I have to add it. That means I have more than 1000 line of code. So if you have more than 1000 line of code, you have to add this line in configuration, and also go down and add this line here. What does this mean? This means, okay, because you are using Google Play services and many tools maybe in your project, so your code will be more than 1100 line of code. So if your code be more than 1100 of code, your Android Studio will not support it. So you have to add this line and this line also, so Android could support it. So now just click synchronize to synchronize your work. Now everything is good. Just go again to the build and try to build your application again. So generate signed APK, then click next, then he will create. Here you go. Finally I will see this one. So I click here, I will see this is my APK file. That's great. Now I want to upload it to store. So okay, first of all, go to the Google and look for Google Play Console or Google Play Developer. You will go to this website and click on it. If you are new, he will ask you to enter your visa and create a new account. When you create a new account, you will see at least empty console like this one. But this is my console. I have my apps. So to create a new app, click add a new application, and here give it name. Let me name it test app. And here I give it upload APK. So I need to upload my APK to the store. The application here on Android be in the APK format. That means the extension of the file will be .apk. If you see, this is the APK. I just drag and drop it here. It will take some time until he will upload it to my store. So yes, I will wait for it until he done. Here we go. This is the application. You just go to the now to list content and describe your application, add images and some details, and you'll go to the content writing and do the rating for your application, then pricing and all that stuff. But then when you want to be available, when you're done, you'll see this will be active. They just click on it. It will take like 5 to 6 hours, it will be active. Your application will be active in the store. Yes, here we done, and see you next.